Hey cherries, it's Jess here from A Cherry on Top, and today I'm using the brand new The Works 2 all-in-one tool from We Are Makers. This tool has a really nice paper cutter, there's a scoreboard, and then there's some extra things on here as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an envelope with it, and there are two different types of envelopes that you can create. One is a regular envelope that you would put a card into, and then the other one is a box envelope, which is a little bit thicker and you could just put more in it. So the first thing that I need is this blue triangle piece that I pulled out from here and the score tool. And this triangle is the main tool that we need for here, and there are a bunch of different sizes on the side, and it tells you exactly what size to cut your paper, and that's the first step, and then also where to start your scoring. The measurements tell you where to score your first score line, so that is where I would use the ruler that's on this blue triangle and score the first line from there. And then all of your other score lines after that you line up with the alignment section. So you can see on this blue triangle there's a tiny little section and it'll say on there alignment line, and so that is where you put all of the previous scores. After you've scored your paper 4 times, you cut out the little notches of where the scores overlap. There are images of this on the instructions, and it will end up looking something like this. From here, this is optional, but I like to round my corners, and I think it makes it look a little bit more like an envelope and a little nicer. So I make sure to always do that, and there is a corner rounder built in to this tool. And there is also a little drawer for your corner bits built in, and I just think that tiny drawer is so cute. And from here, we have all of the main parts done, and we just need to start folding it. So I fold it over on the score lines. This part is easy peasy from here, and then you can use your glue or adhesive of choice. I like to use cherry tape. I think it's just quick and easy because I can just do a couple strips along the 2 sides, and I don't have to wait for any drying time like I would with wet glue. But wet glue would definitely also work fine here. And that's all there is for making an envelope. Now let's move into the envelope boxes. Again, there's all of the sizing that you need on this blue triangle, and then there's also instructions on it as well. So I'm starting with the size that I needed, and then I am going to start scoring using this tool again. So I put in my blue triangle and started my scoring, and there are 2 different score marks that I need. There's both an A and a B. I like to go through and do all of the A's first and then keep turning it and do all of the B's. And just like we did with the regular envelope, I lined up with the ruler on the left side and scored it, and all of my score marks after that I line it up with the alignment line. Now I'm going through and doing all of the B, and so again I started with the ruler and I measured out where it goes, and from there I'm using the alignment line. I know it's a little tricky to see, but I am doing my cut marks now. Again, on the instructions, there are really helpful images on what you need to do and what you need to cut. And I feel like when you just see those images, you can figure out what needs to be cut. and all of it just goes along with these score lines. Once I have it looking like the image in the instructions, I am pretty much done. Again, I am going to go around and round my corners. Again, I just think it makes it look nice. And now I'm going to glue it together. There are actually two different ways that you can glue these together depending on what type of box you want. This first one, I am going to glue all of the tabs together, and it creates a box that opens from the top. So it doesn't look as much like an envelope, but I think it's a cute little box that then you could use some ribbon or something to tie it together. And it's almost even like a little takeout style box. So I wanted to show that because it's a different way that you can use this. I will also show, after I get this one all together, what it looks like if you just glue two of the sides together, and that's where you get the more traditional envelope style box. So you can see how all of the tabs can open here, where when I am just gluing two of the sides down, it leaves enough open for it being an envelope. And just like how I did on my regular envelope, I'm adding some adhesive on the two sides again, just to keep it all together. And I think this is super cute. I think this would be fun for like a little journal or multiple note cards or a little holder of any kind. And that's it for this tool. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.